Hey guys, welcome back to another video of my cat today. One's here. She's right here. Pretty little girl. You guys hear the birds? Everyone knows this little girl. Kitty. Move, kitty. Kitty. Right there. See? Pink collar. This is my bike. And then this is my brother's bike. Right here's our grill, our little house, our door. Well, hope you guys had no, you know what? How will this work? I'm gonna play with her. Earlier today, she got in a fight with a black cat. You love it, don't you? You love it. You love it. You love it. You love it. Ow. Owie. Yesterday I recreated her exactly in my Sims. She has play on her Sims account. Oh my god. She looks so pretty. Well, I'm gonna have to end the video here. I will see you guys later. And happy summer break, everyone. Bye. Bye, everyone.